Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Nick Garisto. Nick is running for deputy mayor in the town of Orangeville. Thank you for being here today, Nick.
Thank you, Brad, for giving me this opportunity to address the voters in the town of Orangeville.
Absolutely.
It is a great question. I'll try to answer the question the best way I can.
So just to address the question for the viewers, what we want to address is the town growth component,
Yes.
right? So
Yeah.
obviously the concerns, where the town's going in the next 5 to 10 years. So where do you see it?
Thank you. Well, the way I see it, let me explain it the best way I can. At the moment, the town of Orangeville can only grow to approximately 36,000 people. With the services that are available, such as land, water, and sewage, beyond this, if the town needed to continue to grow, additional services will be required, especially land. The provincial government mandates growth, but the town has to ensure our service can handle it. The town of Orangeville has a great community feel, and I would like to see this maintained into the future. So, as far as the way I explain it, we are mandated by the provincial government because in the county of Dauphin, they would like to see at least 80,000 people by 2030.
Okay.
But they don't say that Orangeville is the one to grow. It could be Grand Valley, it could be Shelburne, it could be a number of things, Brad. So that's why I specified before, every time we needed to grow, we got to make sure that we have the right tools and the right service to accommodate it. And the sewage, we already increased the sewage plant, which is it'll be about 17,500 cubic meters. That will be enough to accommodate, as I said, the 36,000 people. Okay. Beyond that, then we might have to, if the town needs to grow, has to look for more land and water and so forth. Yeah. So that's where we're at.
Thank you very much for answering that important question.
Thank you.
And if you would like to see some more information that Nick has to offer, please check out the links below, and thank you for watching.